Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have covered the topics data pipe and F pipe. And in today's video, we would be seeing what is WinRelay. So WinRelay is another Windows-based port redirection tool. F pipe was also a Windows-based port redirection tool. WinRelay is a TCP UDP forwarder redirector that works with both IPv4 and IPv6. This point distinguishes it from our F pipe. You can choose the port and IP it will listen on, the source port and IP that it will connect from, and the port and IP that it will connect to. So these all choices you can make as a user. In our upcoming videos, we would be covering topics like TCP dump, WinDump, and Wireshark. So stay tuned for the next videos. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.